Hola a tots, què tal? Benvinguts un altre cop a Learn Catalan from Barcelona. The last videos have been quite focused on grammar, which I think it's great and also interesting to create a foundation. But today let's do something a bit different. So this member of our community, I'm not pronouncing his/her name because I'm not quite sure about how to do that. But basically this person asked me, why do some words have this? I thought it was a great question. It's also quite a particular Catalan thing. So let's have a look at that. I'm not a philologist, so I'm not going to be giving you a lot of detail or background about this, but I really wanted to talk about ela geminada, l'ela geminada, y l'ella. So these two are examples of how two consonants together create a particular or different sound. Let's start with ela geminada. This group of consonants, you always find it in between two vowels, and I would say that that it sounds like an extended or prolonged L. So for example, película, película. You could easily just pronounce it as película, and I would say that, you know, if we speak very fast in Catalan, we would not really emphasize the long L. But if you want to pronounce it properly, it's just película, película, just really emphasizing that part. I know it's a very subtle difference, but this is what actually it means, just prolonging the L a little bit more. You sometimes find it in words that start with al, il, or col. For example, al·lèrgia, al·lèrgia, allergy, il·legal, illegal, col·laborar, to collaborate. And then you can also find it in words that finish with ela or ila, gorilla, or novella. Ella, it's something different. When the two L's go together, it sounds like ll, ll. This is a very Catalan sound. Some people say it's quite difficult to make it. It sounds like ll, and it's different than the Spanish sound of y. Let's take an example. Maybe the difference is very subtle and difficult to realize, but I'm just gonna try. So she in Spanish is ella, ella. In Catalan is ella, ella. So it's very subtle, but the difference is definitely there. Ella, Spanish, ella. I'm not a philologist, I'm not an expert in phonetics, so it's difficult for me to say to describe how we make this sound, but I would say that in Catalan the tongue plays a bit of a stronger role. Ella. Okay, other examples in Catalan are llimona, lemon, bellesa, beauty, camell, camel. So basically you can find it at the beginning of a word, in the middle of a word, or at the end of a word. That was it for today. I hope that was interesting. And now anytime you come across ela geminada or ella, now you know what it is and how to pronounce it. Moltes gràcies. Let me know if you have any questions, comments or suggestions. I fins aviat, and see you soon.